Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 29. Reproduction and Development. Let's start. Hydra and many species of sponges reproduce by parthenogenesis, fragmentation, budding, fission. Correct answer: budding. Certain flatworms, rotifers, roundworms, insects, lobsters, lizards, and fishes can reproduce without sperm and normal fertilization. This type of asexual reproduction is termed fission, budding, fragmentation, parthenogenesis. Correct answer: parthenogenesis. Dash occurs when an animal has both functional male and female reproductive systems. Parthenogenesis. Hermaphroditism, dioecious reproduction, protandrous reproduction. Correct answer: hermaphroditism. When eggs are deposited outside the body of the female, this is termed dash reproduction. Oviparous, ovoviviparous, viviparous, broadcast spawning. Correct answer: oviparous. Prior to mating, some invertebrates incorporate sperm into a packet called a spermatheca, seminal vesicle, bulborethra, spermatophore. Correct answer: spermatophore. A hermaphrodite that is male during its early life and female later in life is called protandrous, protogynous, polygynous, polyandrous. Correct answer: protandrous. The first group of vertebrates to completely abandon the aquatic habitat and begin reproducing on land were the fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds. Correct answer: reptiles. Which of the following mammals lays eggs? Duck-billed platypus, spiny anteater, possums. Both A and B. Correct answer: both A and B. Water, fructose, vitamin C, and prostaglandins are secreted by the dash in mammals. Prostate gland, seminal vesicles, bulbourethral glands. All of the above. Correct answer: seminal vesicles. Which of the following hormones aids sperm maturation and increases testosterone production? GnRH, RH, TSH. Correct answer: GnRH. In a female mammal, which of the following hormones induces the mammary glands to secrete and eject milk after birth? Prolactin, oxytocin, HCG. Both A and B. Correct answer: both A and B. Which of the following is not part of the menstrual cycle? Follicular phase, ovulation, luteal phase, blastocyst formation. Correct answer: blastocyst formation. During the first few days of birth, a baby receives dash from the mother's mammary glands. Milk, colostrum. Neither of the above. Both of the above. Correct answer: colostrum. The baby participates in the birth process by secreting catecholamines, prolactin, oxytocin, FSH. Correct answer: prolactin. In mammalian reproduction, which of the following implants in the endometrial lining of the uterus? Zygote, morula, blastocyst, embryo. Correct answer: blastocyst. In female mammals, which of the following hormones stimulates thickening of the uterine wall? Oxytocin, LH, progesterone, HCG. Correct answer: progesterone. What hormone acts during delivery by causing the pubic symphysis to become more flexible and to dilate the cervix? Relaxin, progesterone, oxytocin, HCG. Correct answer: relaxin. Which of the following human female hormones inhibits FSH secretion and increases LH secretion? Estrogen, progesterone, prolactin, HCG. Correct answer: estrogen. The uterus has dash tissue layers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer: 3. Just prior to implantation at the 50 to 120 cell stage, a human embryo is called a morula, zygote, gastrula, blastocyst. Correct answer: blastocyst.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.